What is your name and what do you do for the company?
My name is Parker Duff, and I work with the sales team.
And what is your favorite boat show memory thus far?
Favorite memory so far was move out last year. It's a pretty intricate procedure, seeing how all the boats come in and out, and it really is a big spectacle, so I was glad to be a part of that.
Yeah, I'm Shaheen. I'm the forklift operator in Newport.
And what is your favorite boat show memory thus far?
There's a lot, but setting up the boat show is, it's a good memory for all of us all the time. But my greatest one is just painting that big Seattle boat chair.
My name's Tommy, and I am the delivery captain for Seattle Boat, so I get the fun job of delivering everybody's new boat to them.
And what is one of your favorite memories from the boat show?
I would say my favorite, or one of them, would probably be one year when they were constructing the tunnel for Highway 99, redoing that. We actually had to reroute and kind of refigure out how to move in all of the stuff for the boat show. So it was a good logistical challenge, but we made it work and had an awesome show.
Oh, hi, I'm Jan Rood, and I work in the Seattle office doing fund share memberships, and if you're buying a boat, I do all your paperwork.
And what has been your favorite boat show memory thus far?
Wow. Got a few under my belt, but I can tell you the one time that was so funny, and we keep talking about it, is the last day of the boat show. At the last minute, somebody comes in and they are buying a boat, and it's the nicest couple. The husband wanted the wife to pick everything out, and red was her favorite color, so everything was red. The stitching was red, the flooring was red, the seats were red, everything was red. And she just kept going, picking out options and all of this. And then the boat show's over. They're announcing that the place is closing down. All of our technicians are coming in and they're pulling up the carpet around us. They're throwing stuff in the trucks, and we're still taking an order for this gal. So anyway, it was pretty funny.
Hi, my name is Greer Ingersoll, and I'm the service manager at the Newport location.
And what is your favorite boat show memory thus far?
So every year I get to set up the grand entryway, and basically, if you haven't seen it, it's two big pillars with, we call it the canoe on top. And every year I have to climb up top and do the electrical on it. Every year I'm like, man, am I getting too heavy to go do this? It's kind of a scary experience, but every year I get up there and get in the hole and go and hook it up, and it's fun, and I wouldn't change a thing.
I am Brandon Buckles, and I am a marine technician for Seattle Boat Company.
What is your favorite boat show memory thus far?
I would have to say when Gary had to take the deer dedication to paint that chair outside of the field. Time was of the essence, and he did good.
My name is Chris Olson. I am Director of Service.
What is one of your favorite boat show memories thus far?
My favorite boat show memory is the evening before the boat show opens. I get the opportunity to look around and see all the hard work that my team has done and get to suck it all in and enjoy it.